Hello guys, we are gonna be unboxing Poco X4 Pro 5G that just launched in India for about 19,000. I bought the max variant. It costed me about 22,000. We are using a Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, the most commonly used chipset these days. We are getting 67 watt fast charging and 128 gigs of storage, which is not expandable. We are also getting a 64 megapixel shooter with two gimmicky other cameras, 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel, which are common. So let's begin the unboxing and I will see you soon. Just before ending this video, I just have to say this phone is really mediocre. Don't expect it to do miracles. It is a simple phone, it is an all-rounder, and it is the best phone under 20,000 right now, but it is not on the performance side, it's balanced. My biggest problem with this phone right now is that it can only do 1080p 30 fps videos and 720p 30 fps videos. I am gonna be talking about more of these things in my next video, which is probably gonna be a full review. So I hope you liked this video, and if you have any questions, please post them in the comment sections. I will be covering your points in the next video, which is gonna come soon, really soon. Actually, I'm gonna be working on that right after uploading this. So yeah, this was your Poco X4 Pro 5G, still on Android 11. Bye bye.